Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here for this bonus video. I don't usually put up videos on Sundays, but occasionally I do when I have like a random subscription that comes in, or because sometimes the subscriptions, I just don't have time for them in my everything else that I've scheduled, and it's really hard to plan because I never know when they're going to actually come. So I just finally got my June Tribe Beauty Box. They charged back in May, I think, and they had choice back in May. It's very confusing. I have canceled this subscription because one, still not fully employed, and I had done a pause on this and they let me choose how long to do the pause, and I thought I would have a full-time job by now, but I don't, and I don't know when that's going to happen or if I'm going to find something. So this was a shock that I got charged for it, but I did get choice in, and I just thought I would unbag it for you. I have completely canceled it for now. I might resubscribe once I do get that full-time job again, but yes, if you don't know about Tribe, it is a Black-owned female business out of Canada, which is kind of cool, but you do get, like, on my bank anyway, they do an extra little charge for like international fees or whatever, so do keep that in mind. It is normally, I think, $34.99 plus $5 shipping, and they gave me a discount for this one, so it was like $25.99 or $26.99 in total, plus those fees that I told you about. And because it was a discount since I was sticking with them, even though I had wanted to cancel. So this time I was like, just don't offer me anything. I need to cancel because they charge you in the middle of the month, and it's every other month. So it's really easy to forget about and to not remember that they're going to charge you, unlike, the ones that charge you on the first of the month. And right now I just can't deal with that. So I pulled everything out of the bag. The big thing, let's start with that. This is from Luxie. This is the Glimmer set, handcrafted premium synthetic brushes. All right, there. Now they probably don't have the glare on them like they did. I really do like Luxie brushes. I think they're really good brushes, so I'm excited for that. This is a nice little like insert. If you had a shallow drawer that you needed something, this would be nice. I don't think I probably will use it, but it's still nice. So there are 5 brushes. So you have the tapered face, the tapered highlighter, the small contouring, the precision shader, and the tapered blending. So these look really nice. They're stuck in there pretty good. This is what the brushes look like. They're very soft, like Luxie brushes always are. They have nice handles. These are much nicer handles than any of the Luxie brushes that I've gotten, except for like the Wonder Woman. I do have the Wonder Woman brushes. But yeah, so there's the tapered face. This is the tapered highlighter, the blending, the precision shader, and the blending. I'm happy about these. I think they're really nice. These retail for, this is supposed to be an $80 retail value. I think that's a little ridiculous. I would not pay $80 for 5 brushes, even though they are nice, but I know Luxie brushes aren't usually that expensive. Like, that seems extreme. Let's do the other thing that's kind of loose in here. This is from Karmaco. This is a lip scrub and birthday cake. So that's what it looks like. This retails for $20. It does have a lot of oils coming out of it. I think it's kind of leaked around. So I'm going to put it back in this box. Yeah, I guess that's something that I will be using right away because it is kind of a mess already. It smells kind of nice. I like the scent. Let me tell you about both of those things. So the brushes says this set was inspired by rose quartz and the healing qualities and properties that come from the Earth's natural creation. It was created using the latest generation of synthetic tapered heads to provide extraordinary performance and make this new set indispensable to all makeup enthusiasts. These are definitely plastic. These are not rose quartz by any means, those brushes. The birthday cake lip scrub is no better way to celebrate your lips while doing your skincare routine than with birthday cake lip scrub. Handmade with exfoliating cane sugar and moisturizing This scrub buffs and pampers your lips for the extra supple radiance. So far pretty good. It's a high value. We're already at $100, and we have 3 more things. They are in this little guy here. And I know one of them is a palette. We got to choose 2 different colors from 2 different like colors. And then the other one, it looks like I did not get my choice because they said it was first come first serve, but I wish they would have like said that it was sold out before you made your choice so that you would know, because I was expecting the other thing. So the next thing in here is from Ofra. This is the Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Retails for $13. Love a natural brow. This pencil is universally flattering on all brow tones. This pencil is made from synthetic beeswax, so it easily glides onto your brows to create a smooth and long-lasting shape. That's the shade. Yeah, it just seems kind of a basic pencil. I don't do anything with my brows other than like clear brow gel, so that I will be putting in my pass along pile. This is the thing, I hadn't chosen this. I had chosen the Roots Naturals Potent C Serum. I went back and looked at my email, and it was supposed to contain 20% vitamin C and a highly stabilized formulation from L-ascorbic acid. Firms and neutralizes free radicals to help prevent and repair UV sun damage. That was supposed to retail for $52. This was the other one. This is Estee Lauder Modern Muse Rollerball. Retails for $26. So this is half of the value. That's, I don't know, like if you're going to do a variation, make the variation around the same price. So do this and the lip scrub. I don't know. So this is a floral woody musk fragrance. Top note is mandarin orange. Middle notes are jasmine, sambac, Chinese jasmine, lily, honeysuckle, flower petals, and tuberose. Base notes are musk, woody notes, patchouli, patchouli leaf, amber, and Madagascar vanilla. That's quite a few different patchoulis. And it is, unfortunately, a rollerball. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of Modern Muse. I have a couple of the flankers, and I want the Modern Muse Le Rouge Gloss, but I haven't found that one. So far, this isn't something that I'm really crazy about. I don't know. We'll try it on the skin, but I would rather have had the vitamin C, which sounds crazy because I know I'm a perfume channel. Like, that's what most of my views are from. Even though, like, I do a lot more than just perfume. The last thing is from, I don't know, Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Romantic Getaway or Day Trip Palette. They both retail for $24. This is the one you got to choose the color scheme that you wanted. So the packaging, okay, so that's what the packaging looks like. It's kind of thick. It looks like a lipstick case almost. And does it tell me what shade this is? I picked Romantic Getaway, which I think is the one I chose. You could have bought the other one too, I believe. That seemed really hard to get into. I don't know why. And this just tells you numbers. Like, why do I need numbers? It does look like in the middle there is a glitter shade. I'm going to swatch them all for you. Let me read really fast and then I'll swatch them. So these palettes are perfect for monochromatic looks, for day-to-day looks and vacations. They include 9 highly pigmented shadows, including 7 mattes and 2 super shine shimmers. Blech, that was a mouthful. Let me swatch them. Okay, so that is what they all look like swatched. As you can see, they are kind of a little patchy. They were very, very soft. They kind of remind me maybe of the Anastasia formula. They're just very, very soft. They're a little inconsistent. This one looks really pretty, but it's one that it laid down really patchy because it's, you know, it's like a glitter and a suspension formula. It's not like a shimmer formula. And as I tried to like lay down a little bit more on it, there you go. So as I tried to lay down more of it, it kind of picked it back up, which was weird. This shimmer is also, like, it's a pretty shimmer. It worked better, I think. Do I think this is a great palette? No, it feels very cheap too. Like, this plastic is very thin plastic. It doesn't feel super sturdy. I feel like if I dropped this, it would just shatter into many, many pieces. I don't think it's terrible. I've never heard of Spoiled Cosmetics. I think it's kind of pretty. I like the color story. This is definitely colors that I would use. And I guess part of the reason why we do subscription boxes is just to discover new brands. So, you know, I could absolutely love this one. I put it on my eyes. I probably won't use this glitter just because I'm always worried about glitters. This isn't a super chunky glitter though. It's more of a finely milled glitter, but it's still not a shimmer like type shadow. Overall, do I think this box was worth $40, which is what you're basically going to pay? I'm on the fence. Like, I feel like the brushes are super nice. The palette is kind of nice. I would definitely say yes if I had been able to get the vitamin C as opposed to the perfume. I'm a little less thrilled with a rollerball perfume because I never reach for rollerballs. They're kind of messy. Just not a big fan. The eyebrow pencil, not my favorite. The lip scrub is kind of interesting. It is another new brand. So new brands, that's nice. Yeah, I think it was a pretty good box. I'm kind of sad that I'm not going to be getting it anymore. I don't think it's a terrible value. I just think, you know, if you're used to BoxyCharm, you might be a little underwhelmed. But I feel like this was even more interesting than what I've seen from BoxyCharm lately. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you get Try Beauty Box? What are your thoughts on it? Is it something that's tempting to you or not? Do you think I made a bad decision to outright cancel it? Let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.